Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we uncover the secrets of the ultimate thirst quencher, pineapple juice. In this video, we're diving deep into the refreshing world of pineapple juice and revealing why it's more than just a delicious treat for your taste buds. Brace yourself for a thrilling adventure where we explore the wonders of this tropical delight and unveil its numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, there's so much to discover about pineapple juice's nutritious powers. So grab a glass, sit back, and get ready to sip your way to a healthier and more refreshing you. It's time to indulge in the tropical goodness of pineapple juice and experience the ultimate thirst-quenching, nutrient-packed beverage like never before. Introduction to pineapple juice. As a lover of all things tropical, I have always been a fan of pineapple juice. Not only does it have a deliciously sweet and tangy taste, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. Pineapple juice is rich in essential nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that can promote overall well-being. In this movie, I will explore the nutritional content of pineapple juice and delve into the numerous health benefits it has to offer. Nutritional content of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for maintaining good health. It is a rich source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system and fighting off infections. Additionally, pineapple juice contains significant amounts of vitamin B6, manganese, and copper, which are all essential for proper nerve function and energy production. Furthermore, it is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Health benefits of pineapple juice. One of the key health benefits of pineapple juice is its ability to boost the immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, regularly consuming pineapple juice can strengthen your immune system and help ward off common illnesses such as the flu and the common cold. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in fighting off infections. Pineapple juice for digestion and gut health. Another advantage of pineapple juice is its ability to aid in digestion and promote gut health. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down proteins and aids in the digestion process. This enzyme can be especially beneficial for individuals who struggle with digestive issues, such as bloating, indigestion, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Regularly consuming pineapple juice can help alleviate these symptoms and promote a healthy digestive system. Pineapple juice for bone health. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is crucial, especially as we age. Pineapple juice can contribute to bone health due to its high manganese content. Manganese is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in the formation and maintenance of healthy bones and connective tissues. Regularly incorporating pineapple juice into your diet can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and improve overall bone density. Pineapple juice for skin health. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance the health and appearance of your skin, pineapple juice may be the answer. The high vitamin C content in pineapple juice helps promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the elasticity and firmness of the skin. Additionally, the antioxidants found in pineapple juice can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Pineapple juice for weight loss. For those aiming to shed a few pounds, pineapple juice can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Pineapple juice is low in calories and contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to aid in weight loss. Bromelain helps break down proteins, which can improve digestion and increase metabolism. Additionally, pineapple juice's natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for sugary treats, making it a healthier alternative for those with a sweet tooth. Myth busting. Does pineapple juice improve sexual health? There is a common belief that pineapple juice can improve sexual health and increase libido. However, there is little scientific evidence to support this claim. While pineapple juice is a nutritious beverage that can contribute to overall well-being, it is unlikely to have a direct impact on sexual health. It is essential to approach such claims with caution and rely on evidence-based research for accurate information on sexual health. How to incorporate pineapple juice into your diet. Incorporating pineapple juice into your diet is both simple and enjoyable. You can enjoy a refreshing glass of pure pineapple juice as a standalone beverage or use it as a base for smoothies and cocktails. Pineapple juice can also be used as a marinade for meats or as a sweet addition to fruit salads. It is important to note that while pineapple juice offers many health benefits, moderation is key. Due to its natural sugar content, excessive consumption may lead to weight gain or blood sugar spikes. Conclusion. Pineapple juice is not only a delicious and refreshing beverage, but also a nutritious choice for promoting overall health. Its high vitamin C content boosts the immune system, while bromelain aids in digestion and gut health. Additionally, pineapple juice contributes to bone health, enhances skin health, and can be a valuable addition to a weight loss journey. While it may not have a direct impact on sexual health, pineapple juice offers a wide range of benefits that make it a worthwhile addition to your diet. So why not enjoy a glass of pineapple juice today and reap the numerous health benefits it has to offer? Note: always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. CTA. Start incorporating the health benefits of pineapple juice into your daily routine by trying out some delicious recipes today. From refreshing smoothies to mouth-watering marinades, let pineapple juice be your go-to ingredient for both taste and wellness. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.